Welcome back and happy Tuesday. We have a little bit of fog this morning, mainly concentrated over northern San Luis Obispo County. You can see that pocket of it right here in that yellow coloring, and then just a little bit of it off the coastline. For the most part, the cloud cover at this hour is still at a mid to high level, so it should not impact the visibility out there on the roads for that morning commute. Here's a look at those temperatures outside. Close to the low 40s for California Valley as well as Shandon. We have a mix of 40s and 50s towards your South Coast region, and we're also seeing similar conditions as we head towards San Luis Obispo County. So you'll probably need that jacket as you head out the door this morning. Some areas by this afternoon, we're definitely going to be warming up to about the 70s, and we'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. But here's a look at those forecasted wind speeds by about 8 o'clock. So we're still seeing some activity across the Santa Ynez Valley, Lompoc, as you can tell, towards the coastline as well. And looking ahead to this afternoon, we definitely start to see those winds pick up for just the South Coast region, but then also pushing into San Luis Obispo County. And keep in mind, we do have that wind advisory that's in place for Santa Barbara County South Coast. In terms of the cloud cover through this morning into your afternoon, we're going to see it mix out and then make its return. It'll be a little patchy at times, but we will definitely have plenty of sunshine in your forecast for today. And then later tonight, we can see more of that cloud development over Santa Maria Valley into Lompoc too. So taking a look here at the wind advisory, going into those mountains and foothills here, those valley locations, but again, also towards your South Coast region. This has been extended through tomorrow morning. We're still dealing with those winds coming out of the north and northwest, ranging from 20 to 35 miles per hour into this afternoon, but we still have those wind speeds that are reaching 40 to 55 miles per hour as well. In terms of the activity where we're going to see most of these winds pick up, that'll be from Gaviota to San Marcos, but also over those Santa Ynez Mountains. And we can see some of that activity on this map too. Tapering off heading into this afternoon. In fact, some of these winds will get below advisory level before they do start to ramp up heading into later tonight and early tomorrow morning, just before that advisory is set to expire. Here's a look at those daytime highs. We have mid 70s in Paso Robles, right around the upper 60s for San Luis Obispo and Santa Maria. So you'll notice for some of these coastal valleys, we are trending up by a few degrees. Areas that were closer to the mid 60s are right around the upper 60s today. And then we still have those 70s across some of your interiors. Daytime highs over the 5 cities region, right around those low to mid 60s, and temperatures along the north coast, those will be ranging from about the low to upper 60s. I'll send it back to you. All right.